I'm using Nokia 6.1 and today I will show you how to change the language of this device. So start off by opening up the settings app, which you can pull the up tray from the bottom, or you can also do it to the notification panel right here. And from the settings, scroll all the way down till you find settings, or system, my bad. And then you'll find language and input, so tap on this. And at the top you see languages, so you can just tap on it. And then tap on add a language. And choose a different language that you want to add. So for instance, we can choose Spanish, like so. And then all you need to do is just grab it by the bars right here and drag it over the top. And you can see that it automatically changes the language of this device. So, and again, you can just switch it back like so if you want to. Okay, so that is basically how you change the language. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.